Hey guys, it's me Raymond, and I'm opening up this Love Bear, this Love Bear product. This is not actually a product. I found this in our attic, and this lunchbox that's very old, like 1980s something, and it's something inside. There's a Shopkins season 4. Why there's a season 4? I think the old the first people on this house have some Shopkins season 4. It's not just, I think it's not 1980s, because it looks like 1980s because the lunchbox have dust. And there's Five Nights at Freddy's jump scare mini cards, and includes one cards inside. Find the withered golden Freddy. There's four inside. Oh, it show you what's the toy inside, and I think all of them have them. Looks like a pig, and here, and there's a code that what you get. Okay, let's open it up. First one, blind bag number 1. It's gonna be, I think it's Golden Freddy. It cannot fill because it's a mini card. Oh, it's Golden Freddy. What in the name of David Jones locker? I found the limited edition one. Yay! Limited edition one. This is so cool. It don't show you the picture, but it says find the withered golden Freddy. I think this is the regular Freddy or golden Freddy, perhaps, because withered golden Freddy has he don't have an ear here. It's a wire. But I find the limited edition one. Next, blind bag number 1. Start it and open. Surprise can go inside. Oh my! It's spring trap. Yeah, it definitely spring trap because these have wires and some black thingies, but this one is a spring animatronic, and there's a man inside of it, and it's dead, and the man is gonna be zombie. Next one, blind bag number 4. It's made of paper, but the artwork is so good. Oh, it's Bunny jumping around. Tip 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 tip. definitely chica. And it's gonna be, wait a minute, this is a laughing boy. I hate this laughing boy in the game. Don't jump scare you, it's just standing on you. Okay. Oh, and there's a Shopkins here. This fashion's oh, I think they're up. So I know about these things. This is new color of Sneaky Sue. Sneaky Sue and tailoring. And it's a love bear time. This is an old toy, and it says open. Let's here is the toy, and this is includes with Santinos. This is the thingies. I don't know what's the name. I think you can adapt it. Here. Oh, this is the adaptation, and these have I don't know, transparent paper, but you cannot wrap it. It says name, birthday, gender, and have a verb check. And oh, it's got details on it. 0928101231, and it show you the name. I think somewhere. Oh, and there's a little bottle. I don't know. There's a little paper on it. Oh, and you can open it, but you cannot get the paper on. See? There's like a treasure. There's someone's on it. Oh, not. Oh. Sorry about that. And there's the bear, teddy bear. Okay. Well, thank you guys. Please link and like for my next video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.